What is up, YouTube? We are doing something spectacular today. We've never seen it on a Forester before. You've probably seen it in person, but you probably never seen it on a YouTube video because I can't find it. Definitely not a 2001 Subaru Forester. If you had seen my unboxing video before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Maybe my finger's covering the lens, but we are going to be installing a quick release steering wheel. Whoa! So I already took off the I disconnected the battery. As you can see, look, the lights don't turn on. Nothing works. So everything's done manually. So right here on the corners, there is a T30 star patterned star pattern. I don't know how to explain it. T30 is the best. Steering wheel is right there. But we're gonna just wait to see how long it takes to disconnect to all the power for the car to run out, because I don't want the airbag to explode on my face. That's a no-no. And I am missing one more thing. So all you need pretty much is the T30 and a 17 millimeter to get the bolt out of the right here, and your steering wheel to be dead center. That's pretty centered right there. And if you don't have a powered wrench, you definitely can use a breaker bar, or big breaker bar. But we'll see. I have to go get one more thing, like all the screws that go onto all that. So they are in my house, which is perfect because it gives me time to make sure all the juice in the car is done. So I'll be right back, okay, guys? All right, so I got this all taken off. I'm trying to unplug this right here, just so I don't have to cut this, just in case I ever want to turn it back into stock. I also want to try to figure out a button to put for the, how does it call it? The cruise control button. I have no idea how to do. So we'll see, but we're gonna keep it going. I've just gotta put the hub on there, but I gotta find a way to take this off smoothly. All right, so I installed it, but I still have all of this down here, and I am trying to figure out how to get my cruise control, which would be right here, somewhere on here. We could probably install it right here somewhere. We shall see though. Maybe on here. But this is on there already, and then you can go. Oh, this is really hard with one hand. But look at all that space. Oh, that's so good. Unplug these right here, these four, this long, and then you can see where this cable goes to, and they're all zip tied in there. But I believe that plug is right there, and hopefully that lets all of that go, and then we still have a stock clock spring, because I don't want to damage it. And I guarantee you somehow there's going to be where I can plug this in, and get some cable all the way through up there to run my cruise control, because I don't want to lose that. Be right back. All right, so I got the whole thing taken out, and so this one right here is the clock spring one, and then this right here is, I believe, your horn and your cruise control. So I will find out how I can get that connected, but for the moment we're just gonna have this like this, full race car, and then we're gonna plug, let's see, we gotta plug this back in. So yeah, so there was I gotta get rid of this metal bracket or open it up to take the full thing out. But that's my clock spring. Everything else is stock. Down here, look at that. So I will try to take out the switch for that, but we made it. We made it. So right here, like, there's 3 screws. There's other screws up here too, but I could not get it out. Somewhere right there, bow. And one on the other side, could not get it out at all. But there's a bunch of stuff that's zip tied as well. And so let me plug everything back in and see what my dashboard looks like when I turn it back on. So we'll see right now. I'll be right back. All right, moment of truth. I'm going to turn it on. And I should get that airbag button right there that won't leave. And once that on that side, brake, airbag, that's gonna stay on because I don't have it plugged in. Let's see, everything seems to work except the horn. I don't know how to make the horn work. If you guys know how to make the horn work, let me know. But everything in there is already plugged in and ready to go. So thank you guys for watching. We'll have some more stuff going along on the next video. Peace.